Toronto hardwood flooring. What is the difference between solid or engineered?
Hello. If you have decided to renovate your home, you've probably considered the appeal of hardwood floors. Many people are surprised to learn that there are actually two types of hardwood flooring options, solid and engineered. To help you decide which one is best for you, let's take a closer look at both options. For homeowners looking for authenticity, timelessness, and durability, solid hardwood is often a good choice, since each plank is constructed with 100% hardwood of the finest quality. Engineered hardwood consists of layers, with the top and bottom layers being 100% natural wood, while the middle layers form a core of plywood with 5 to 7 layers crisscrossing in different directions for stability. Due to its strong core, engineered hardwood is less likely to expand or contract when exposed to extreme temperatures, humidity, and moisture. Aside from their fundamental differences in material and structure, solid and engineered hardwoods also have different design options. Solid hardwood comes in a huge selection that ranges from traditional hardwood to trending colors and hand-scraped wood. It also comes in different widths, so you can choose if you want a wide plank aesthetic or a more classic look. Engineered hardwood is also available in a wide range of styles. You can choose from traditional designs to more trendy, specialized designs with features like multi-tonal colors. Certain aesthetics such as extra-wide planks can only be achieved with engineered hardwood. Depending on where you are looking to install the flooring, that can also influence your choice. For instance, solid hardwood is typically best suited for the ground level and second floors, whereas engineered hardwood can be installed in all areas of the home, including spaces that solid hardwood is not recommended, like the basement. Both types of hardwood also have different installation methods. Solid hardwood has to be installed with nails, while engineered hardwood has multiple options, including staples, glue, and even lock and fold technology. Finally, there is a difference in the cost between solid and engineered hardwood. Solid hardwood is the gold standard and is positioned at a premium price, whereas engineered hardwood is less expensive with some exceptions. Although both solid and engineered hardwood are amazing options for your home renovations, the best way to decide which you prefer is to come down to our showroom and see all of your options in person.